Remember a while back I said that we had oil pressure issues in the old shop truck? Yeah, it's not dead yet, but it's on its deathbed, I think. When we sit at lights, it drops down to 9-10 pounds. Not good, not ideal. So contacted our friends over at Texas Speed. We got ourselves some goodies to throw on this thing. So motor's coming out here soon. We got upgraded oil pump, head bolts, valve springs. We're doing the trunnion upgrade, obviously a cam. This cam here is an LSA style cam for a supercharger. Going to be throwing a Magnuson on this thing soon too. So fun, fun, fun. So sometimes one door closes, another one opens. So we're trying to make lemonade out of lemons or something. So this guy here, it's going to get blown apart. And while it's apart, do an interior too. Why? I'm an idiot. So, you know, gotta have fun. You know, try to make the best of a bad situation. So I'm excited for it. And then we can really blow these tires off here soon. Stay tuned. All right, so we talked about what's going in the motor. Let's talk about what's going on in here. We've got a full leather kit for the interior here. So they're leather covers that do the seats and the console, and this folds up into a seat as well. But we're cutting that apart. We got some Apex leather CNC panels. It's actually suede that we're going to do inserts here. So we're going to do seat inserts in the bottom and back, and also these door panel areas here. They got silver stitching. They match all the factory stitching, and then new carpet kit and a new headliner there too. So there's some kind of smell in this rig here, and we're going to get rid of all of it, but upgrade at the same time. So we're going to yank all this stuff out today and start stitching.
This is some of the parts for the interior on Eric's truck. We got a brand new carpet kit from ACC. It's going to be replacing that. This definitely was a smoker's rig before, so we're getting rid of anything that's fabric based inside the car, along with then doing a custom touch. So I actually have above me brand new fabric for a headliner as well. So we're going to be peeling that, doing an OEM style with that, replacing the carpet with just an original black as well, but just reviving everything because it was a little bit of a work truck before. This is our leather kit that we bought. It's really high quality actually, but it's a full kit. Comes with everything, all the frame and touch and everything. And yeah, so this thing's going to work perfect for that. We're going to cut this apart kind of like we did the Mercedes just a little bit ago. So we're going to notch out all this stuff and be putting in an Apex leather suede insert. So this is pretty rad. This is diamond in, oh, now I don't even remember what this is called. I really apologize. It's not diamond in a diamond, but it's this kind of shutter effect thing. It's really cool. So this is actually going to be up and down like this, where this is going to be the bottom side of it. Really cool stuff. So it's got a nice silver stitch that's going to match with the brushed little plastic pieces and stuff that's all over the dash and the inside of the car. It's going to tie it all together really well. So we're going to be cutting this apart here really shortly and getting that to really look nice and killer in that truck. So more for this will be happening and shown as we get going.